Winter Springs Police Department here in Florida. Here's a marked car from Maitland Police. This is Lake Mary, Florida Police Department. This is the Sanford Police marked car, Sanford Police Department. Florida Highway Patrol car is a ghost car. University of Central Florida's DUI MAD car, MADD, Mothers Against Driving. This is Seminole County Recruitment Unit. This is the University of Central Florida Police. Citrus County Sheriff, marked unit. This is the Osceola County DUI Enforcement Unit. Orlando PD Recruiting. This is Orlando Police Department's Maserati Quattroporte. Orange County Sheriff. Orlando Police Department. Orlando Police Department Breast Awareness for Cancer.
Not bad.
Castleberry, Florida Police Department. Castleberry, Florida Police Department. Winter Springs Police Department, marked ghost car. Winter Park Police Department. Kissimmee Police Department, Florida. Claremont, Florida Police. This is Altamont Springs Police Department, Florida. This is the University of Central Florida unmarked car. This is the Longwood, Florida Police Department. This is Oviedo Police Department, Florida. Maitland Police Department.